This is March 31st, the day before April. We've got 8 inches of snow already. More to come. This is amazing. We've got starving birds all over the place. We're feeding robins, finches, wrens, blue jays, woodpeckers, cats, you name it. And there's a little one right there. See, right there. He doesn't even care that I'm right by him. Right by him. These little ones just don't care. They're right there. 2 inches from me. Whew! I gotta get in the house. I'm being